Hi fellow viewers for everybody. Magandang umaga. Ako po si Steve. Steve Ong, ang may-ari ng video account na ito sa respective website youtube.com. Okay, my next video tungkol sa Bangko Filipino, which is already closed for the second time. By the way, this is to refresh. Kahit ako, bata pa ako, na-encounter ko itong closure twice. 1985, I was only going, I think 4 years old kasi January 25, because I was born January 19. It was closed, first closure was 1985. I was only 4 years old. Then March 17, 2011, that was the second closure of Bangko Pilipino. By the way, to all viewers, please take note na hindi naman ako lawyer, hindi naman ako investigador, but to inform to the public that the original branches overall ay 92 branches. In my past video, meron ako mention 87 branches. So may nadagdagan ng 5. Kasi bakit naging 92? So ibig sabihin 92 branches hindi kasama ang main branch, head office. So my point in this video is that this is only an historical background. Para at least ba to refresh our mind kung ano yung nangyayari before at saka yung mga previous years na before na close yung 1985 at yung 2011. Okay? So don't you worry, meron pang kasunod na videos. Then meron kayong makikita ang title na last video. Oh, by the way, I would like to inform to the public viewers na meron akong uunahin na parts tungkol sa Bangko Filipino. Kung just in case it will be open for the third time, unahin ko muna yung last video. Alam ko nakakatawa, bakit last? Kasi syempre, kumbaga sa pelikula, may simula, may ending. Bakit nauna ang ending? Ito siya, part pa siya sa middle part. Middle part lang to. Ito is to give all the viewers feedback or background. Para at least back to refresh our memories before. For the meantime ngayon, tinatawag pa siyang insolvent kasi meron silang alitan sa BSP at Bangko Filipino officers or directors. So, yun lang po for the meantime. Etong video na ito is more on branches overall. Ang original overall. It's not 87, it's 92. Ibig sabihin, 92 branches, hindi kasama pa ang head office. So, thank you for listening in this video. Good morning.